Hey, how's it going? I'm William Gorka of the Cleveland Stater. I am doing a podcast today with Gerry Kavulich, a 30-year banking professional. Today we're going to talk about the potential banking career futures of CSU students. Let's just get things started. How did you get into banking?
First off, Will, thank you for having me here. It's a great opportunity here. Banking, it's kind of a funny story. In high school, I was geared towards what you're calling STEM now. A lot of science, a lot of math. Went to Miami University, supposed to go into engineering. Found out, because I didn't do my homework, found out that they only had a 2-year degree there, that you went somewhere else for your 4-year, the rest of your degree. Decided I loved the campus, loved the life that was down there, and switched to what Miami University was best known for, which is business. Got a degree in finance and management with minors in economics and accounting, and from there I went out seeking a job in the job world. My first job, though, wasn't in banking. It was in financial services. It was at Progressive Insurance, a local company here, right when they were just beginning out as a smaller company, a $200 million company. They're now a multi-billion-dollar company. But that's where I first cut my teeth. I was in management there, managed a couple underwriting units. Kind of had a little bit of a traveling phase in my life because neither one of my parents were college educated and didn't realize couldn't relate to what I was going through at work. Dropped out of the business world and actually became an iron worker for a while. Jumped back into the business world again, looking for a job. And one of the first places I got was to work at Cardinal Federal, an old small S&L bank here in Cleveland, Ohio. And I've been in banking ever since, both either working directly for a bank or consulting for a company that worked for banks.
Got you. What exactly drew you into banking?
Well, one of the things is I'm very numbers oriented. That's what it was about, and I liked helping people to a degree. And banking is really, despite what some people might think, is a service oriented business. And it's all about helping people, helping them with their finances, helping them get in car loans, buying houses, getting credit cards, savings, retirements, IRAs, CDs. So I thought it was kind of a win-win, and I was a natural again because of the math background. So,
yeah. So as far as today, what is banking career-wise looking like for current CSU students looking to get into the banking world?
Great question. Well, it's changing. It's changing like most things around here. You guys are seeing it on your end quite a bit. Technology is just rapidly changing everything. We have what we call fintech, the financial technical companies that are basically just creating these apps out there and about, like PayPal. What is the popular one you guys? Venmo and all these type of technologies that are kind of critical and helpful in servicing our customers and making their financial lives better. With regards to that aspect of it, that means that you should have a pretty strong background and understanding of things along the lines of artificial intelligence and analytical tools like Tableau and SAS and whatnot. Those are things that we use at the bank all the time to help provide insights and do discovery to help us run the bank more efficiently and offer the customer a good value proposition. We provide a service and they pay a price for that. And we want to make sure that they're getting as much value as possible out of that situation. So, technology classes are critical. I would go with a little bit of statistical background because just so you can understand the business side of the equation, and then just business as well. I mean, you need to understand the cost of operating the business model for various products. And that'll allow you to make better decisions both for your customers who you're servicing and your company that you're working for. Banking is all really about a three-pronged approach. We try and do well in our community. We do a lot of things in community investment-wise. We try and take care of our customers. We try and take care of our stockholders and employees. And that's kind of it in a nutshell. If you could do those and focus on those, you'll do well. And with, again, the tools like a little bit of statistical background, some of the SAS programming out there, artificial intelligence. That's the way of the future. So I make sure those are things that I'm either familiar with and or an expert at.
Got you. All right, awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, thank you for having me, and good luck to all you out there.